Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Steam gift card if the code is scratched. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Steam gift card if the code is scratched, the first thing that you can do is avoid further scratching. Do not scratch too hard as it may completely destroy the code. The next method is check the card or email. Some physical cards have the code on the receipt or packaging. For digital cards, check your email for the original e-gift card code. The next method is contact the retailer. If the code is unreadable and you have a receipt, simply contact the store or website where you purchased the card and provide them with the gift card serial number usually on the card and proof of purchase. The next method that you can use is contact Steam support. If the retailer cannot help you, can contact the Steam support by simply tapping on the search bar and type in store.steampower.com. Then once there, simply tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of your screen and then select support. Then once inside, what you need to do is simply tap on purchases. Once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select one of the revisions or issue, and here what you need to do is you'll be provided with the options to chat or the number that you can contact the Steam support. Simply provide them with the gift card serial number, receipt or proof of purchase, and unverified purchase details like date, store, and etc. And Steam can often issue a replacement code if the card is valid and legally purchased. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.